Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Masala. Today's recipe is for all those chicken lovers. It's a wonderful Andhra Style Chicken Fry. It's got a lot of spices. It's a little on the spicier side, but it's absolutely delicious. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's get started and check it out. For the Andhra Style Chicken Fry, I've taken 1 kilo of chicken with bone. So first I'm going to marinate it with some salt. This is about a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, add about 4 teaspoons of red chili powder. So I have just mixed the chicken pieces with salt, chili powder and turmeric powder. Let this sit for about 15 minutes. For the chicken, I'm going to make a masala powder. For this, first I'm going to roast a few ingredients. Take a pan, add 1.5 tablespoons of whole coriander seeds. Next, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, 3 cardamom, 4 cloves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 6 red chilies and 4 Kashmiri red chilies. So I've used the Kashmiri red chilies to give it a nice rich red color, but if you don't have those, don't worry about it. Just use the regular red chilies and you can make this masala powder. So you can see the ingredients have roasted very nicely. I'm getting a lovely aroma of all these fresh ingredients. Turn off the stove, transfer it into a plate and cool it completely. Transfer the cooled ingredients to the mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. So you can see it's ground to a nice fine powder. Remove this and keep it aside. So now we're going to make the chicken fry. Take a nice white kadai, add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 4 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Add 2 green chilies finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are transparent and they've got a nice golden color to it. So you can see the onions have turned to a nice golden color. Now I'm going to just add a few curry leaves. Just add all the chicken pieces. Next, add 2 heaped teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Cook till the chicken is no more pink. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see after 5 minutes, the chicken is no more pink. It's released a lot of these juices. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the masala. I'm going to add the masala powder at intervals. Continue to cook for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see the chicken is coated beautifully. I'm going to add the remaining masala spice powder. So at this point, I'm going to check for seasoning. Just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Since I've already added a lot of salt while marinating the chicken, so just be careful while adding salt, taste, and then you can add extra if you need. The chicken fry is coming together beautifully. You can see all those masalas have coated the chicken pieces. I have not added any water to cook the chicken, so the chicken is practically cooking in its own juices. Cook the chicken for another 10 minutes on low flame. So you can see the chicken is cooked perfectly. The flavors are incredible and the masala has coated all the chicken pieces. Finally, I'm going to finish off by adding a few curry leaves and some chopped coriander leaves. Just give it a quick mix. Andhra style spicy chicken fry is done. You can enjoy it immediately. Wow, now that chicken fry looks amazing. It's best had as is, or you can enjoy it with some nice rasam or sambar by the side. So make sure you follow all the steps and grind these masalas nice and fresh for best flavors, okay? So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.